Looking for the best camera lens for videography to elevate your filmmaking? Here are 5 exceptional lenses available right now that deliver incredible sharpness, stabilization, and professional-grade video quality.
Product number 1. Sony SEL20 f/28 E-mount 20mm f2.8 prime fixed lens. If you shoot video on a Sony APS-C mirrorless camera, the Sony SEL20 f/28 E-mount 20mm f2.8 prime fixed lens is an absolute game changer for run-and-gun filmmaking and vlogging. Weighing just 2.4 ounces, this ultra-compact pancake lens keeps your gimbal setups incredibly lightweight without sacrificing optical performance. The 30mm full-frame equivalent field of view is the perfect focal length for capturing environmental portraits, YouTube talking head videos, and documentary-style wide shots. For videographers, the fast f2.8 aperture delivers beautiful background separation and reliable low-light performance when shooting indoors. Furthermore, the rear focusing mechanism ensures lightning-fast, smooth, and quiet autofocus, meaning your camera's microphone won't pick up distracting mechanical motor noises. The 7-blade circular aperture produces gorgeous, natural-looking bokeh that gives your footage a high-end cinematic feel. If portability and sharp, high-contrast video are your top priorities, this Sony wide-angle prime is an essential addition to your creative toolkit. Product number 2. Nikon 18-300mm f3.5 to 6.3 G ED-VR. The Nikon 18-300mm f3.5 to 6.3 G ED-VR AFS DX Nikkor lens is the ultimate all-in-one powerhouse for videographers who need maximum versatility without swapping lenses. Covering an immense focal range, this super zoom allows you to instantly transition from a sweeping landscape wide angle to a tight, dramatic close-up of distant action. When shooting video handheld, stabilization is crucial, and Nikon's built-in vibration reduction technology delivers up to 4 stops of compensation to keep your footage remarkably smooth and shake-free. It features extra-low dispersion glass and aspherical elements that effectively eliminate chromatic aberrations, ensuring your video remains razor-sharp with vibrant color accuracy. The silent wave motor provides reliable autofocus, though manual focus pullers will appreciate the smooth, precise focus ring. For travel videography, event coverage, or documentary work where you cannot afford to miss a single moment, this specific Nikon lens offers an unmatched, highly practical focal range for your kit.
Product number 3. Pentax HD Camera Lens. Shooting video on a Pentax system requires glass that can handle challenging environments, and a premium Pentax HD camera lens is engineered to deliver stunning clarity and rugged reliability. Equipped with advanced high-definition multi-layer coating, this lens dramatically reduces flare and ghosting, which is vital when shooting cinematic footage against strong backlighting or direct sunlight. The optical design ensures edge-to-edge sharpness and exceptional light transmission, making your video colors pop with rich, lifelike saturation. Furthermore, Pentax is renowned for its outstanding build quality, often incorporating weather-resistant sealing that allows videographers to confidently shoot outdoor sequences in light rain or dusty conditions. The smooth manual focus ring offers excellent tactile feedback for precise focus pulls during dramatic scenes. Whether you are capturing sweeping establishing shots or intimate narrative close-ups, this lens provides the robust performance and elite optical fidelity that professional videographers and hybrid content creators absolutely demand.
Product number 4. Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.6 telephoto zoom lens. For videographers operating on a strict budget, The Canon EF 75 to 300 mm f4 to 5.63 telephoto zoom lens offers an affordable entry point into long-distance telephoto video recording. This lens is ideal for capturing sports, wildlife, or distant event footage where you simply cannot get close to your subject. When mounted on a crop sensor camera, it provides an impressive equivalent reach of up to 480 millimeters, giving your videos that intense, compressed background look typical of high-end cinema. Because this model does not feature built-in optical image stabilization, it is highly recommended to use it locked down on a fluid head tripod to guarantee smooth, professional-looking pans and tilts. The optical design includes a micromotor for autofocus, though manual focusing is generally preferred for video work to ensure seamless transitions. If you need massive zoom capabilities without a massive price tag, this Canon telephoto lens delivers excellent, reliable value. Product number 5, Tamron 17 to 70 mm f2.8 Di3A. This is arguably the most versatile premium zoom lens available for Fujifilm videographers today. What sets this lens apart is its constant f2.8 aperture across the entire zoom range, allowing you to maintain consistent exposure and gorgeous depth of field, whether you are shooting a wide vlog or zooming in to a cinematic interview. It features Tamron's proprietary vibration compensation system, which incorporates AI technology specifically optimized for smooth video recording, virtually eliminating micro jitters during handheld shooting. The rapid, extra-silent stepping drive autofocus motor is incredibly fast, locking onto subjects silently so your audio tracks remain clean. Combined with moisture-resistant construction and a compact form factor, this versatile lens replaces multiple prime lenses in your bag, making it an absolute must-have for professional wedding videographers, commercial filmmakers, and everyday content creators alike.
Choosing the right lens depends entirely on your shooting style and budget. The Canon provides unbeatable telephoto reach for budget-conscious buyers, while the Sony offers ultimate lightweight portability. The Nikon Super Zoom excels in true all-in-one versatility. For premium low-light cinematic performance, the Tamron and Pentax lenses deliver professional-grade results that perfectly justify their higher price tags.